Lindt Helmet chocolate Switzerland Bunny
because of you.
It's the train from Zurich Airport to Kilsberg.
Because of me, the stars were shining to me.
Once you arrive at Kilsberg Station, follow the Lindt
I
sign.
want you to know you're my world. Every time I'm crazy, it's because of you. If you're looking right at me, because of love. To me, it's a pretty wonderland. Do not make me cry again. I need you right now. I'm gonna be fine. You left me alone. Can I heal the wounds?
Once inside, head to the reception to purchase a ticket. It's advisable to book online in advance as there are limited first slots per day. You may use the complimentary lockers near the lavatory to keep your bags and other bulky belongings. If you've already purchased your tickets, you can skip going to the reception counter and turn to the staircase on the right to collect your audio device and begin your tour. Tap your audio device at the corner of each panel to listen to the audio tour.
Listen to me. Still think about me, baby, baby. 'Cause you're on my mind and it's driving me crazy, crazy. Are you finally over me? You can tell me the truth. Or do you still love me the way that I still love you? Just the other day I seen you. We caught it for a little while. You told me you were doing just fine, man. It was good to see you smile. Memories running through my head. Feelings coming back, oh yeah. Yeah, and it hurts like hell. You're happy with someone else. I try to stay occupied. I try to put it all aside. I try and try and try and try. Still it's no use. Don't know what's going on with me, but all I know it's haunting me. I need your love to set me free. Listen to me, oh baby. Do you still think about me, baby, baby? 'Cause you're on my mind and it's driving me crazy, crazy. Are you finally over me? You can tell me the truth. Or do you still love me the way that I still love you? I know that I let love slip away, and I'm going insane, all because I want you back. I need you back. This is the biggest regret I'll ever have to face. Oh yeah, baby, it's driving me crazy, crazy. Yeah, are you finally over me? You can tell me the truth. Listen to me, I still love you. I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. It's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's all.
shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street.
Chocolate
I
tasting
wonder
time.
if you moved. Hope everything is going
Warm
amazing
chocolate
for
fountain.
you. And you're not feeling blue. I feel the
Milky
rain
chocolate
poured out my
fountain.
face, but that's alright. I smile,
Dark chocolate
people
fountain.
passing. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the bite it to the I slip.
Time for the chocolate bar buffet.
I slip to bite it to
Simply place your hand under the dispenser and out pops the chocolate.
I'm feeling
There are
good.
several flavors of chocolate, hard to try, so be sure to
It's
check
a
out the
fast
dispenser.
forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Only the fall for you, Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never imagine your face. My fault, I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted
Check out the
fairy
Lindt
tales on the
photo
wall.
booth.
Calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I'd hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. I won't
Be sure to collect samples of the different types of Lindt chocolate.
You could have anything you wanted, anything you wanted it all for your fool's gold. And I know well why deaf and half blind. You could get anything you wanted. Yeah, I would have handed it all over, falling for you. Only the fall for you. Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul.
Learn more about the process of chocolate ticket to receive a surprise gift. Flavored chocolate, awesome!
You
say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.